Hello to everyone from Sergio Vini. Okay, let's put the glasses on and start right away. Okay, it has been just 3 months and a half since I started, and in this short time I have shown you undeniable 100% veritable proof that Bitnest works exactly as promised. Today's video will be very short, okay? So, don't worry. But I want you to stay until the very end because you are going to see a live proof of $9,600 passive earnings, passive, every 20 days for 3 months in a row. Watch closely because this is something you can see with your own eyes live on my screen. Okay, this smart contract has been running for over 2 years and 4 months. Okay, you can verify it on the blockchain. We get a crystal clear profit of 24% in just 28 days without a single user losing a cent. That has been running since 2 years and 4 months. Okay, in the past week, please listen carefully. I have already shown you, okay, all on my YouTube channel, our funds insurance, the certification, certified Binance also, where the profit exactly come from. Not only the PancakeSwap where there is a liquidity pool, but also the lease system. A real transparent loan from 100k, 300k, up to 1 million and more given to those crypto tycoons and whales who are clients of Bitnest. They pay high interest for instant, anonymous, collateralized liquidity, and that's why we can earn up to 24% in 28 days. So there is no magic, okay? I have shown you also on my YouTube channel live automatic withdrawals live on the screen, and the fact that the smart contract has been running for 2 years and 2 months, you can see I have shown you live on the blockchain, so you have to to believe me, without any single member losing a cent. Okay, now as you can see on my screen here, okay, we have 276 people, okay, that have registered in my link. Only 186 of them are already active and earning passively every single day. Okay, so 90 people are still stuck doing nothing. Okay, now to those 90 people, allow me this thinking. Okay, what's the point of registering, okay, if you don't even start earning like all the others? Okay, it's like buying a Ferrari and leaving it in the garage. The potential is there, but you're not using it. Okay, but how much those 186 people that you see here in my team, that they have just reached in just 3 months and a half, how much they do earn passively? They earn exactly how much they want. Here nobody puts your tap on top of your head like in your job, okay? And you and only you decide how much you earn passively while living your normal daily life with no effort, completely passive. Oh, okay, let's see today proof, okay? I now show you live on my screen. Let's just put this in pause. Okay, perfect. As you can see, okay, live on my screen. So this is not a screenshot like 99% of the losers, show you that they don't earn anything. It's fake proof. This is real proof, okay? As you can see, there is a counter here, okay? You can see the counter. If you saw my videos, my previous video, you saw that when this counter comes to 0, all the profit with all your liquidity automatically comes in your wallet. I've shown you withdraw money, real cash. I've shown you many times on my YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see, this person is one person on my team. Okay, and this person has invested $40,000 in USDT and is receiving 9,600. You see the difference here, 49,600 and 40,000. 9,600 in passive earnings every 28 days. He's been putting this $40,000 for 3 months in a row. Okay, so you can see the live counter as I show you here. So this is not a fake. If you go and see my video, you will see a live proof that those are real money. They are not, peanuts. Okay. So now tell me just one thing. Okay, between me and you, tell me just one thing. With that kind of passive income every 28 days for just 4 weeks, not even 1 full month, okay? Do you think this person will have a great vacation in August? Or enjoy a comfortable lifestyle all year round? Of course he will. And of course it is, because he has already done it for 3 months, okay? And all the people that have been paid for 2 years and 4 months non-stop, okay? And why many have invested, those people, the 186, how many of them have invested just $100, which is 2 months, in 2 months won't change your life. They think in 2 months, $100 they change their life. You don't even buy your grocery, okay? Or some people who have even started, while while they're waiting, while they just invested $100, he cashes month after month $9,600 because he saw everything, he understood everything, he see that everything is real, he see that everything is tracked on blockchain verified, and he decided to earn passively by all the others that go to work, or just put $100 and they think they change their life in 2 months. Okay? Now, it's not only the 196 people that joined me 3 months and a half ago. Of course it is not. It's a worldwide official Bitnest, how can I say, group. As you can see here, if I click here, just a second, I'm gonna click here, I'll open, okay? This is the official group, okay? It's charging, this is 186,406 people. I challenge you won't see a single soul from anywhere in the world, because this is worldwide, not earning since 2 years and 4 months. So this is working like a Swiss clock, okay? So if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, okay, my friend, so if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, I have many videos in English, many videos in Italian. I have an entire playlist in English with 20 videos, each one for each tutorial, okay? So under every video, for example, this video, I show you, the money, but those are real money, those are not peanuts, okay? Those are real money, my friend, why you wake up every morning and go to work. We are in 2025, okay? So under every video there is a description, there is my link to join if you're already expert, okay? Then there is, look at this, those are real money. This is $40 million, baby. Have you ever seen a business crystal clear like this? No, of course you haven't, okay? So under every, there is a description, there is a full presentation. Here's the full playlist in English. You see all the videos here, all the proofs of the tycoons. You can dig on it. You better check it out, everything, every wheels, okay? And you will have a personal contract, which I will help you personally whatever question you have. So this is 2025. You don't need to work harder, you just need to work smarter. Why don't you get smarter? What for once? Why don't you get smarter when you see 186 people earning since 2 years and 4 months passively non-stop? Why don't you smart your head a little bit, okay? So the proof is right here. Now it's your turn to up. Bye, Fonseca.